Welcome everyone to part 15th of our Python basics tutorial. In this tutorial, I will introduce you with classes in Python. So, in this tutorial, we are going to cover the very basics of classes in Python. At first, we need to learn, understand, and to read classes. If you are just a beginner of programming, at first, to understand classes might look quite complicated. For basics, we can think about classes as a group of functions. Classes are the backbone to object-oriented programming. If you don't have any previous experience with it, you may want to consult an introductory course on it, or at least a tutorial of some sort, so that you have a grasp of the basic concepts. As always, I'll begin with a syntax. So, syntax of classes is like class name, and the class statement creates a new class definition. The name of the class immediately follows the keyword class, followed by a colon as follows here. And here is the optional class documentation string. And then there is class suite. This suite defines class members, data attributes, and functions. So let's begin an example. This will be more clear for you. So let's create a simple calculator class and define addition, for example, a, b, add colon, and add equal to a plus b, and we add the spacing here, and here we just print add. Okay, let's copy this class. We'll create 4 different functions inside. So subtraction will be subtraction a minus b. Subtraction here would be multiplication. Here multiplication, and let's not forget to change value here. And the last one is division. Can change values. Divide. Okay, so we created our class. Now we need to test it out. So it's simple. We need to call our class. So would be addition, for example, values would be 55, and let's make examples for all our functions. Here, let's change values that they could be a little different in our example. So that's it. Let's build and save. As you can see, our calculator works just great. This small basic example will introduce you with classes. I later will make a full class tutorial for advanced learning, but for now, that's all for this video. I hope that this was useful for you. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below this video. If you liked my video, smash up the likes button and subscribe my channel. Then you will get more of my videos. Text version of this tutorial and links are left in video subscription. Thank you all for watching, good luck, and see you in the next video.